Hey, welcome back on this Wednesday morning. So we're still expecting some snow tomorrow into Friday, but there have been some changes to the forecast with this. The track of this area of low pressure has shifted a little bit farther east. That means that big swath of wet snow we had been monitoring is going to kind of graze the eastern counties. It's shifted a little bit more east. We're still expecting lake effect snow and some windy conditions, though, to develop as we head towards tomorrow evening into Friday. So the main impacts will be some slippery road conditions along with blowing snow throughout the course of that time period. But with that access of that wet heavy snow shifting farther south and east of the UP over Lake Michigan and through the northern lower, that's going to mean and result in lower snowfall amounts for us. So ranging 1 to 3 inches of snow across the west end and the eastern counties. Higher elevations on the west end, including parts of Baraga, western Marquette County, and right off of Lake Superior for Alger County will range about 3 to 6 inches of snow throughout the course of that time period into Friday morning. Here's the setup and where that storm system is located at. It's still over into Texas, that area of low pressure, likely bringing in a severe weather risk for a lot of some of those southern states today. But this area of low pressure will track through the lower peninsula tomorrow, and it's the track of this that has shifted a little bit farther east. Now, this cold front is a secondary cold front that'll be moving through our area around the same time period. That's the one that'll bring in some cooler conditions with the lake effect snow. So let's time it out for you. We're in the clear today. It's going to be a gorgeous one this afternoon with some sunshine. By tomorrow morning, if you're downstate, it's going to be a wet one. We're expecting some moderate to heavy rain anywhere from Lansing extending down to Jackson to parts of Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo into Detroit. This is 8 a.m. with a rain and snow mixture on the northern edge of this swath as this moves north through the northern lower. Mainly wet, heavy, dense snow for those northern areas as that low moves in. And you can see that the track of that has shifted a little bit further east. So we'll still have it kind of grazing our eastern counties and along Lake Michigan tomorrow afternoon. This is 3:30 in the afternoon. By that point in time, we start to see snow kick up on the west end as the cold front approaches us. We'll have lake effect snow increase along the north and northwest wind belts for tomorrow night, extending into tomorrow morning. That's 7 a.m. on Friday morning. By about midday, this tapers off. So again, not expecting a lot of snow out of this, but it's the wind component that'll make it a little bit difficult, especially if you're driving at night or early Friday morning. We're expecting winds out of the north-northwest to gust around 30 to 35 miles per hour. So that will result in some blowing snow with those lake effect snow bands that will develop. But that wind will slowly decrease as we head towards Friday midday and Friday afternoon. The other thing is that it's going to be a little bit cooler towards the end of the week, but not too bad. Today we're going to be above normal, lower 40s. So this is kind of a rare combination of some sunny skies, dry conditions, and low 40s for February. Get out and enjoy it if you can. Tomorrow morning we wake up to temperatures in the 20s, and then tomorrow afternoon we're looking at high temperatures to generally be into the low to near mid 30s for our highs. A brief cool down after that cold front on Friday puts us closer towards normal. It's short-lived because we have more 30s for this upcoming weekend with a more quiet pattern this weekend into next week. Now, tonight is the Michigan Tech Winter Carnival all-nighter, and it kicks off early tonight. It's going to be a good one. It'll be a comfortable one for those students. We're looking at temperatures to be in the upper 20s around midnight to the mid-20s by early tomorrow morning. And I know that we'll be live and doing some live updates out there throughout the course of our newscast later on in the day into the afternoon and evening. And of course, we'll be there live tomorrow morning as well.
Thank you, Jennifer. Today's